like, I think about a month ago, I was vlogging. I think it's been about that long. I saw that they had these here, and I said I was gonna buy some next time because I didn't plan for it. But they haven't had any since then, and even now, this is all they have. Just 3 of these, and this is strawberry flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all 3 of them so I can actually get them. I would have been happy if they had I believe this was a melon flavor that was here. But I'm gonna get these 3 strawberry. They're super cheap. They're $1.57, so it's not expensive. So I'm gonna get them. I already took all 3, guys. I'm totally taking all 3 of them. I'm gonna have all 3 of these. Let's go find Alex. So guys, I wanted to show you these little gems I got. Usually they're a lot more money than this, but the cool thing about this is that they were on sale. This is $3.59, and this one is $2.99. So they're giving a $2 coupon on Ibotta if you get up to 3. Me and my sister are getting some if you see there's like 6 of them. So you get to get a toner, face wash, and face cream. And these are pretty big size. There's 12 ounces, so it'd be really cool to actually try these guys out. So that's why I'm so happy I actually was able to get them on a discount. Walmart discounts are the best. So guys, I wanted to show you this. I got this in one of my after Christmas sales, and I did not realize, because I've never bought this line of Shea Moisture, that hey, Shea Moisture products are usually about $8 to $10 a piece, right? Or depending where you go, sometime $12. But look, it is one product is $9.97. I got all 3 of these for $5 in that special pack, the after Christmas pack at Target. And I love it. I'm so excited to try it now because it was so expensive, and I got all 3 for less than the price of 1. So I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like. Cool, right?
What's up? How you doing?
Doing good. How you doing? Me.